So a huge thing for me is planning my meals. If I don't have a meal prep going on, it's really hard for me to stick to my healthy diet. So I found that this healthy chicken salad I've been making has been helping so much. It's good in the refrigerator for 2 days, but my husband and I usually finish it within like 1.5 days. So I shared a barbecue chicken one last time. This one is sweet and salty. It has dried fruit in it. It has dried cranberries. It also has mustard in it, fresh dill, avocado, so it's also a good fat. And you can add a scoop of this on your salad. You can add it on a wrap. You can add it in a sandwich like I did. Are you gonna watch me shower?
Good morning, guys. My weekend morning routine, oh, can't speak, is literally sunscreen and mascara and maybe a little cream bronzer. Just gonna be that kind of day today. And I want this vlog to be a lot of my productivity tips. If you have dark spots or melasma like I do, I have melasma from pregnancy, I can't be in the sun anymore. Like, I always have to be wearing a hat. And I'm okay with that. I'm not the kind of person that likes to lay out. But anyway, I've just felt so productive because I'm balancing mom life, I'm balancing videos, and then I'm also balancing a home renovation in New York. I'm living in Florida, so like states away, which is definitely a lot. I've had to really be on my productive grind. And so I have some new tips that have definitely helped me. So if you're a busy person and you just feel like you're juggling it all, like there's so many different things you're doing, and if you just want to get inspired again, you know how it just like feels good sometimes, like when you know you want to get productive again and you know you want to get inspired and you watch a video and then like you feel amazing and great. That's what I hope you take from this vlog and a couple days of my life and all that. So just gonna finish up my makeup and we'll talk soon.
Okay, so we just got home and I want to talk to you guys about some just productivity tips that have really been helping me do it all. And I hate that expression, do it all, but that's why I'm putting it in quotes. But so many of you guys and people I work with and brands and just friends are like, how are you doing it with your baby and this and that? And I feel like for the most part, I'm definitely finding my balance, but there's just a few standout tips that have helped me so much with productivity that I wish I knew before I had a baby, because having a baby makes it 10 times harder. I'm just gonna throw that out there. So that basically had me reevaluate how I plan my day, and the productivity habits that I've picked up I think will really help. But yeah, the first thing is, I'm gonna actually share how I plan my day and all of that, but the first thing is stop multitasking. Stop doing it. And I think a lot of moms or busy people will be like, what? Like, that's all we do. I think especially moms, we're just like, we have to multitask. When I multitask, I'm doing a bunch of things for sure, but none of them are done well. It's like I cleaned kinda, I edited, but I could have done better editing. But yeah, multitasking rarely works. It seems good in theory, and I think in the day that we're living in, it's like cool to like juggle a bunch of different things, but you will not do anything well. And it's better to do less tasks in the day and do all of them well and start with one task, complete it, and then go to the next one than to try to multitask. I also notice when I'm multitasking, I don't really finish a task. And then do you notice when you put things on your to-do list or you have things on your schedule that you don't get done, you kind of feel bad about yourself, or at least I do. And it also goes the other way too, when you make a to-do list or you have a schedule and you write things down and you cross it off. I love that feeling of crossing it off. You also know that that makes you feel really good. Every time I'm done with doing something and I cross off everything on my list, I feel good and positive all day. And that evidence, I always tell you guys, it's building confidence and building evidence when you are trying to start new habits. So that's my first tip, don't multitask. Now I'm going to share what to do instead, but before I share that, I want to share how I actually plan so you guys can see and then everything will make sense. This is my favorite planner in the world, by the way. I got this from Target and it's a planner like this. Basically, it's just like a calendar like this. And the second page, I thought I was going to use this a lot more. It has a to-do list page. So when you're planning your day, obviously we know we have to plan our day if we want to be the most productive. And having a calendar set up like this was so helpful for me because I can see big dates. I can see what videos I'm doing which day and see it like the whole calendar view. I can see appointments with my daughter when she has doctor's appointments. And as I was saying, when I was doing my makeup, I can see like when big renovation things are happening, like countertops going in. That's actually happening next week. So I have that in there. But like the little tasks that we have to do each day, like order these groceries or work out at 10 a.m. Like just like your day-to-day tasks. So not such like big things, like, you know, your to-do list. I found that my planner was just not efficient for that. There's just not a lot of room to write, and I didn't like turning the page because I like to look at the calendar while I'm doing my to-do list. I ordered these on Amazon. My friend Marissa gave me the idea, these pads. So basically it's like a daily plan and you can put on today's focus, you can do your to-do list, you can do notes, you can schedule good things that happened today. You can write down like things you're grateful for. And it even has like a place to put down meals. So me and Jared have been just like taking turns writing down like what each other wants for dinner, like keeping something like this in the kitchen, or you can even keep it tucked into your planner, which is what I've been doing. Big event in here, I can put the little tasks in here and then just keep everything together. So my tip here with being extra productive and really getting everything done is to take the time to make your to-do list after you plan everything in your calendar, if you like doing it like that. And then I would go through each to-do list and I would actually do it, cross it off, and then go to the next one. Don't multitask. Don't try to do a couple things at once. Don't put things off. Just go through the list. If it's a task that needs a lot of energy or it needs a lot of like my attention, I try to do before 12. We're the most productive between 9 and 12. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to like that afternoon after lunch, like you get into like that like brain fog or like slump, like you're kind of tired. It's the end of the day. So tasks that need a lot of brain power for me, I'll do between 9 and 12. So I'll have that and then cross it off, then go to the next task. Your productivity will really increase if you do it like that. Just do one thing at a time. These drinks are so good. I love the Clementine Peach. So now let's tackle this to-do list. So I really wanted to organize her clothes, but she's taking a nap in her room. So we're going to do the next task, which is think about what we're having for dinner tonight. So last week we were spoiled and we had Green Chef. I think I shared one of the meals on my Instagram, but it's so nice when it's a Green Chef week. Me and my husband do it once a month. That way it's just super simple. It's like the whole week we don't really think about what we're making, and we do the keto plan. It's a week of just keto dinners, which is really nice for us, especially since we're on our weight loss fitness journey. So there was one meal that we really liked in particular, the sesame ginger beef patties. So we saved the card and we're going to be recreating it tonight. I just wanted to share Green Chef with you guys. This video is in collaboration with Green Chef. If you are on your health and fitness journey, I highly recommend trying out Green Chef. It's a meal kit delivery service. It's a USDA certified organic company. I get messages all the time, Sam, I'm in a rut, or I want to start my healthy eating, either lose weight or just continue to eat healthy, but I just need that motivation. I just need a push. Green Chef is great for that. And the reason being is because they take out the grocery shopping, they take out the meal idea, they just send you food that's ready to be cooked, and their food is so vibrant and delicious. And you don't have to do the keto plan. They have vegan, vegetarian, paleo. There's something for everybody. So if you just want to eat balanced or healthy, or you want to try keto or paleo or gluten-free, they send the food to your door and then you put everything together. Love is that their instructions are step by step with photos. I love the photos. I've shared this on my channel before. It just makes it super simple. I run out of meal ideas. I'm constantly showing you guys meal ideas. I'm constantly on Pinterest looking for meal ideas. Sometimes I just want to feel like I'm out for dinner. Like, you know, the beauty of being out for dinner where it's like all curated things. That's what Green Chef is, except a lot healthier in the comfort of your own home. Just go to greenchef.us/90SAMO and use code 90SAMO and you will get $90 off your first box plus free shipping. So it's a great offer. I will leave everything down below. Definitely try it. Good morning, guys. Happy Easter. By the time you see this, it won't be Easter, but it's Easter right now. Here are these PJs. They feel like butter. You're laughing. We didn't give her Easter basket yet. I need to have coffee first. And they're so cute. They sent the matching undies. We're gonna make coffee and I'm gonna show you my current coffee recipe. Doesn't everyone do this at 6:53 in the morning? Wow. That's a nice iced coffee. Aw, this reminds me of our wedding. Jared's mom is a singer and she performed this song at our wedding with our band. Anywhoosie, then I add a little bit of collagen, but not the whole scoop. So this would be the whole scoop, and it's just too much because this is espresso and not coffee, so there's less in here. So I do like this much. And I do this for gut health. Definitely check out my video on gut health and the importance of collagen and how we really don't get collagen from our food. Because I like to make an Americano, I'm gonna add hot water to this. Add cream. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. When you're done eating your breakfast, what are we gonna do? Open up your basket. Am I more excited than her, guys? She's having some carrots and yogurt. The little feet. Mmm.